Now you have got an option to click on yes to join with me.
Okay.
Please click on yes so that we can join ourselves.
Yeah.
Alright, I can see your computer. You can leave the mouse now and let me check and see what is going on, okay?
Okay, yep.
Do you see I'm moving the mouse cursor on the screen?
Yeah, I can see the mouse cursor moving, yeah.
Okay. Now before I proceed further, you have already got my name. I want you to write down my job ID number as well.
Okay, yep.
It is MS
Yep.
0013.
Okay, yep. That's an unlucky
And
number,
you've got
13.
my name.
That's
my
unlucky.
name is Eddie Morris.
MS0013 is an unlucky number, but let's see how you go.
Well, that is something which is pretty lucky for me, sir.
Okay.
Alright, probably I'm the only person in this world who considers this number to be lucky, and it has been lucky throughout my life.
Okay, we'll see how that goes, yep.
Alright, now let's come on to the business. Now it says, let me remove this box from here. It says your computer has alerted us that it has been infected with a virus and a spyware. Oh my god. The following information has been stolen: Facebook login, credit card details. Okay. You tell me something, sir. How many people uses this computer? Only you or
only
somebody
me.
else does it?
I'm the only user of this computer.
Your wife, your son, your grandson, nobody uses it?
No, they don't use it. I don't let them use it.
Okay. And how old this computer is? Because it looks to me a pretty good computer, although it's Windows 8.1, I believe.
Yeah, it's about a year and a half old.
It's a pretty good computer, I must tell you. Okay. Now, it seems that you have been downloaded with a dangerous spyware. In order to find that out, I will go ahead and run a security scan in the computer, okay?
Okay, yep.
And I will do that with the help of this Microsoft. Oh, here's a problem. See this?
Yeah.
You know that you are using Windows 8.1, is that right?
Yeah, that's what I've been told it is.
However, it says Microsoft Windows version 6.3.9600, which is incorrect. Do you see this?
Oh, okay.
That means something is definitely wrong with the system. I am trying to find it out. This is an internal scanner machine which has been installed by Microsoft Corporation. Okay?
Alright, yeah.
And since we are dealing on the Microsoft Secure server, so with the help of this internal scanner machine, I will diagnose or scan your whole computer. Here it has been started.
Okay.
You will have to give me a minute or two to complete it. Okay?
Okay, yep.
And do you have any other computer or laptop at your home?
No, this is the only computer I've got. It's a laptop.
Okay. Now let's see. As soon as it gets completed, it will give us a scan report, and that will help us understand what has actually happened.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, oh my god. Here comes the scan report.
Yeah.
It says network compromised. Do you see this?
Yeah, hang on. Yeah, I see that.
Do you know what it means? I mean, do you have any idea about this?
Oh, I suppose it means my network's been compromised, doesn't it?
Well, so unfortunately, people have unauthorized access on your network.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, they tried to get into your network without your permission, without your knowledge, and I will try and have to find out how many connections were there who tried to do that.
Okay.
Here's your network status.
Yep.
Okay? Now look at this very carefully. Oh my god. See, it says active connections.
Yep.
This is your local address. That means
Yeah, okay.
your network address, which belongs to you, and most importantly, it was not supposed to be visible.
Okay.
It should have been encrypted, but they have made it visible. And here it says foreign address. That means the people who have been trying to get into your network from a different location, that means foreign location, and see the state of the connections. How many people tried to establish themselves with you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's multiple. 15, 20.
Okay, can you count them for me? How many?
I'm sorry?
Can you count them for me? How many are there?
Well, sure. Let me try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 1, 9.
Okay, yeah. It's a lot,
right. Now here, yes, that is quite a lot. And let me ask you one question here. What do you normally do on this computer on a daily basis?
I do a lot of high-risk activities such as internet banking, internet shopping, you know, and all that stuff.
Okay. I understand. Now see, first of all, what they have majorly done is they have stopped your drivers. It says drivers stop. Now, do you have any idea what the drivers are or what they do in your computer?
Oh, I suppose they drive my computer then, do they? They, you know, do they steer it and change the gears?
That is absolutely correct. Drivers drive the whole system. Whatever happens to your computer and your network, these drivers are responsible behind them.
Yeah.
So they are the backbone of your computer. Now, they attack the drivers first. Why? Because if all the drivers get stopped, and if that happens, your hard drive gets crashed and your computer shuts down forever.
Okay, it dies.
Right? And if that happens, then that will mean that they would have full access of your network because you would not be able to see what is going on inside your computer.
Okay.
And they can do anything with your network address.
Alright, yeah.
And that is what I'm trying to find out, the state of the drivers. Let me see how many of them are running and how many of them are stopped.
Okay.
Now, if you look at the state of the drivers, almost all of them have been stopped. Do you see them?
Yeah, I see that.
My God, they have tried to damage the complete backbone of your computer. And not only that, they have also stopped the services here as well. You see, it says services stop. Now, services means Microsoft Corporation Services, which helps your computer to run all the applications and softwares inside it.
Okay.
Now see this. Most of the Microsoft Corporation services are stopped right at this moment.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Right? This is why you are not able to move out from this particular screen. Nothing is working. Because all the applications, all the softwares have been stopped in the background.
Alright.
And this is something which is basically a spyware. The alert told you something about the spyware. Now this run DLL32.exe is a spyware, okay?
Alright.
Now I believe that has been stored into your C drive because C drive is the main drive of your computer, so they always attack the main drive. Let me see.
Okay.
Now here.
Yeah.
You see, run DLL32. Oh my God, sir! It has been downloaded multiple times, and I must tell you, this is happening for quite a long time. Do you see the dates?
Yeah, I see the dates. Yeah.
Right, it's been started way back in the month of January. So they were continuously trying to attack your network. Now today, your computer has lost the ability to fight against these attacks, and that is why it has been blocked.
Okay.
So this is something which is not a matter of time. I mean, not has happened for the first time. You might be able to see that for the first time because everything could have been damaged by now.
Okay.
But these attacks were going on for quite a long time. And if you want to know what does this rundll32.exe do, then I would take you to Google.
Okay.
And Google will tell you what is it.
All right.
Here is Google.
Yep.
Okay. And I will type rundll32.exe.
Yeah.
And it will show you the process information of this file.
Okay.
Let me get it. And this would be a report which has been published by Google. You just have to read out this paragraph which I have highlighted in blue.
I can't read, sorry. Can you read it for me?
Okay. It says rundll32.exe is a process registered as a backdoor vulnerability which may be installed for malicious purposes by an attacker, allowing access to your computer from remote locations, stealing passwords, internet banking, and personal data. This process is a security risk and should be removed from your system. So it's your security which has been breached, and it could have easily taken away your identity. It's kind of an identity theft.
Okay.
Because apart from stealing information from your computer, nowadays, what the cyber criminals do is they get hold of your network address and they use it for their own purposes. Say, for example, if they want to get into any kind of illegal or criminal activities, they would use somebody else's network just to ensure that if something goes wrong in future and if someone is supposed to be caught, that would be you, not them.
Okay.
I hope you understand that.
Yeah, it sounds pretty bad. Can I get this fixed or what? How do I fix it? I need a fixation.
Yes, sir. I will be very honest with you.
Okay.
Since it's not a problem with the Microsoft computer, your Microsoft computer got infected because of the network infection. The network has been hijacked. So I will have to take help from the network specialist team, which is a Cisco certified team.
Okay.
All right. I will have to talk to them and let them know about the situation and check and see what needs to be done, because this is surely not a problem with Microsoft.
All right.
I hope you understand that.
Yeah.
So if you give me a minute or two, I will talk to the network specialist team and I will get back to you and I will let you know what needs to be done exactly, okay?
Okay, yeah.
So I'm going to put you on hold for 1 or 2 minutes. Would that be okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you very much for staying on hold, sir. You hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Is this still Eddie Morris?
Right. Yes, this is Eddie Morris, okay?
Yeah.
I was actually talking to the network specialist team, the Cisco certified team. Look at your computer screen, I'm mentioning everything.
Okay, yeah.
And the good news is that they would be able to fix your problem, all right? And here's the steps which they need to do in your network. First of all, they will have to remove all the unauthorized accesses.
Okay, yep.
From your network.
Yeah, so you're going to remove yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
And then they will have to encrypt your IP address.
Okay.
Which is visible at this moment.
All right.
Then they will have to de-hack
Okay.
the entire network. That is quite a tough job, I must tell you. You have to do a lot of coding and decoding.
Okay.
And then they will have to block the harmful gateways.
Okay.
From where the infections.
Can I ask, are you a sandwich short of a picnic?
I'm sorry?
Are you a sandwich short of a picnic?
No.
Okay.
Why?
I was just wondering, do you know what it means?
You're breaking, sir. That is why I'm not able to catch all of your words.
Okay. I'll continue on then.
Okay. Now, after that, they will have to secure your network.
Okay.
And I must tell you that it will take around 60 minutes to do all these steps. However, you will not have to be over the phone for so long.
All right.
Once they would be done, they will give you a call back and let you know that everything has been done and you can start using the computer on a secured network.
Okay.
Would that be okay?
Yeah.
And sir, I must tell you that since it would be done by a different department altogether, the Cisco certified team, they will have to use some paid tools to protect your network and all your informations and your identity. So there would be a cost involved in order to repair everything.
Okay, I see.
Okay?
Yeah.
And the entire repair would cost you an amount of $399.99.
Okay.
Would that be okay?
No, that's not okay. I'm not going to pay that.
Well, understand, sir. Microsoft is not charging you anything.
Yeah, I know they're not.
This charge is to make sure that your network remains secure because they will have to use some paid tools to protect your network.
Yeah, but I'm not paying. Can't we work some deal out? Like, can I pay you $100, and don't tell your boss about it, I'll pay you the money direct, and can't you fix it that way?
No, sir, that will not be happening because we will not be charging you anything for the kind of troubleshooting which needs to be done. But the only problem
Why
is
not?
unless and until this blockage gets removed from your network, even we would not be able to troubleshoot on your computer. That is the problem.
Well, why can't I just pay? How about if I give you $200 direct to you? Can you get it fixed for the $200? I'll give you that money directly. It doesn't have to go through your boss or through the company. I'll give it to you direct.
I'm sorry, what did you say? You're breaking up badly.
What I can do, I can't afford the $400, but I can give you $200 directly to you, rather than go through your boss. So this way, if I give you $200 directly to you, can you get it fixed, and we won't tell your boss anything about it?
No, sir. We will not be charging you anything.
Yes, you will. You're going to try and charge me $400. I'm trying to say I'll give you how much do you get paid an hour? I'll give you $200 to fix this computer directly to you if you can fix it. I can't afford the $400.
No, sir, we do not charge for the troubleshooting. And the most important problem is we would not be able to troubleshoot unless and until your blockage gets removed from your network.
Blockage? There is no blockage. You know how you said your Microsoft or whatever ID is MS0013? That's coming back to haunt you a bit,
I'm sorry?
Your ID MS0013 is going to haunt you a bit now.
Well, your voice is breaking badly, sir.
Really? Oh, he hung up.